Hey, it's Sunday morning, 2nd of December. I went over to Geek Brunch at Wheeler's Yard, bit of a weird location. And I must apologize about the sound quality in there. It's terrible, it's hard services. Oh, look at these bikes. They're actually old post office bikes. That's the post office symbol, I believe. And that is an old Raffles Hotel bike. I thought that was quite cool. And yeah, it's one of those hipster places. And look at that.
Hi.
Service.
Joining the geeks. So you're gonna give me a what?
Over five.
You're insane.
Hi, my name is Jimmy. I use Vim.
Hello, my name is Soros. I use Emacs, Atoms, Visual Studio Code, whatever.
Hey, I'm Sebastian and I'm representing Commons Host. You should all check it out. Upload your sites there and use it for your DNS if you don't want to be tracked by like the NSA and everyone.
Hi, I'm Roland. My preferred editor is Vi, and I don't like my editor doing things other than editing, so I use NVI, not this Vim rubbish. And for those who are answering Emacs, Emacs is not an editor, it's an operating system.
Hi, I'm Noor and I use WebStorm, one of those weirdos.
Hi, my name is Sophie. I use Visual Studio Code. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Thomas and I use VS Code.
Hi, I'm Shiling. I used to use JetBrains, but then I got a 4K screen, so now I have to use VS Code.
Hey, I'm Flo and I use Atom as my main editor.
Hello, I'm Konstantin. I'm using IntelliJ as my main editor.
Hey, I'm Eugene and unfortunately I use VS Code.
Hi, my name is Chinmay and I use Sublime Text. I know, Kai hates it. It's Kai's favorite editor. Yes? No, Kai? No.
Hi, I'm Sayani and I use a Nano editor on the Linux terminal.
Hey, I'm Andy Quitmeyer and my editor is usually Notepad++. Also hacked versions of Adobe Premiere.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I use SM.
Hello, I'm Ping and I use VS Code for JavaScript development and I use IntelliJ for Java.
Hello, my name is Long from Firelizer. My favorite editor is Emacs.
Hi, my name is Marian. I'm a graphic designer from Next.js in Berhad, and my favorite editor is Adobe Illustrator, and on my iPad is Procreate. It's amazing apps ever.
I'm Joel and I use VS Code with Vim for my usual editing. I use Sublime for all my other whatever extra code that I need to edit off the VS Code, but because it's faster to start. And I use IntelliJ for Java projects and Kotlin projects, and Android Studio of course for just Android.
Hi, my name is Raven and I use VS Code with Vim key bindings.
I don't have a favorite, but I'm currently using IntelliJ because I work for a bank and I'm doing Scala work. That's about it.
Yeah, I'm also my favorite editor is actually Atom. I love Atom. Yeah.
Okay, my name's Wei and I use Vim. Is that all? Okay.
Hi, my name is Michael. Essentially, the kind of tools I use are JetBrains tools, so like RubyMine for Ruby editing. I use Visual Studio Code as well for lightweight editing. And Vim, of course, if I want to just do a quick code change in the terminal. So yeah, that's what I do.
I'm Andrew. My favorite text editor is what are you? VS Code. I use VS Code a lot. Why do I use VS Code? Because
I use JS a lot, and building Chrome debugger is like really great.
Hey there, I'm Yadvinan Prem, and my favorite editor is Vim. Mostly use it running on Visual Studio's code and every other IDE out there. And for using stuff like Go, I use Raw, Vim, Go. Yeah.
Hello there, I am Manju. I'm a C programmer, and one of my favorite editor is Source Inside. It is really great for code navigation and implementations and stuff in massive projects.
Gerald, I use IntelliJ.
Hello, I'm Chian. I use Visual Studio Code, Sublime, and Atom, all at the same time, depending on which one is faster. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do, man. I use everything.
Hi, I'm Adnan. I'm a long-term user of Emacs since way back in 1987. Lately, I've been experimenting with Visual Studio Code as well.
Okay, hi, my name is Jigis, and the code editor which I use nowadays is VS Code.
Hi, my name is Wykit. The code editor that I use is PyCharm.
Hey, I'm Arun. I use Vim and VS Code mostly.
So is it like if you
Hello, my name is Jeremy. I use Atom. I hope I can use VS Code more in the future.
Hi, my name is Alyssa and I use Visual Studio Code.
Hi, I'm Yongxin and I use AWS.
See you guys.
Hello, my name is Ted. I use a few editors, but the one that really stuck with me is RubyMine, and I use it daily at work writing Ruby on Rails applications.
Right, thanks for everyone who participated, and thanks for watching it this far. It's not easy to listen to all this Visual Studio Code nonsense. Well, to be honest, I use it sometimes too when Vim doesn't work.